Getting lots of first-hand information from the site workforce is vital for recording the facts about a construction project. Using shape channels to communicate, construction teams establish an enhanced flow of video, photographic, and other documentary information back to the site office for use in Shape's web tools. With auto-sync between Shape's messaging solution and the desktop, construction managers can attach evidence of activity progress and issues without the need to double-handle files. They are already there. In this example, we'll show a construction manager directing their site team during the day from Channels Web on desktop and being provided with visual information for their daily site diary in a convenient way. At the start of the shift, the construction manager sends a message reminding everyone of the types of information that they want to be communicated through channels. Any issues with photos for substantiation, and all end-of-shift progress photos. One of the crew members discovers the worksite inaccessible because of an exclusion zone not removed on time. It is common to find issues at the start of the shift, and it is important to flag these up as soon as possible to get resolution, but also to capture the evidence in case a delay claim needs to be made. In this exchange, we see that another supervisor has arranged to have the issue resolved. This type of exchange is common in messaging systems, and in channels we are getting the benefit of developing a timeline of the facts as we sort this issue out. We are progressively recording a timeline of the events, and the manager is able to nudge team to get key information back from the field in real time without leaving the desk. Fast forward to the end of the shift, and the field supervisors for steel fixing and formwork send in their progress photos separately. The manager in the office still needs to know a bit more about what was achieved in the shift, and so they nudge the supervisors to clarify. We see that the steel reinforcement is confirmed to be complete, ready for inspection, and that the formwork is at 75%. Messaging systems are powerful because the team can seamlessly gather progress information, while still conversing about other topics like preparing inspections for tomorrow and confirming when completion of the formwork will be done. The key here is that all the information is integrated so that the manager can conveniently produce the next deliverable, the site diary. Now that the engineer has all the data and visual information they need from the site, they can use it to develop one of the most important daily deliverables. All we need to do is go to the Shift Manager app and click to create a new shift report and begin recording the facts of the shift. We add a new progress observation and link it to the program activity for formwork, Rio, and pouring of the cast in situ ground slab. We change the description of the works to describe the steel fixing activity. We note that the steel reinforcement is ready for the pre-pour inspection, and we capture the progress achieved of the planned activity. Now, in order to evidence our achievement, we link the photographs that were automatically synchronized from the channel's conversation to Shape's web gallery. We do the same for the record of the formwork activity, which is a subtask of the same FRP activity in the program. We now record the delay from the start of shift due to the exclusion zone not being removed. In Shift Manager, there is a feature which allows a user to link a delay to an issue or create a new one. Here we need to create a new issue. We start by describing the problem as it was captured in the channel's conversation. We set the due date to start of shift, which was when we needed the exclusion zone to be removed to allow our work to proceed. We set the issue type as access, the discipline as in situ concrete, set the location, and assign a responsible person. We publish the issue, and Shape suggests assigning the impact of the issue, which is ideal in this case, as we can capture the effect of this issue on our work on the day it happened. We define this as a completed delay. Because the issue has been resolved, we describe the work affected as the activities we had planned to be working on, and we capture the dates and times of the delay, start and finish. This is key forensics data that we found out in our channel's conversation. Back in the Shift Manager interface, we link the new issue to our delay observation and attach the evidence of the delay captured in real time by the supervisor and synchronized to the gallery. We can elaborate about the delay event in the issue description and reason for delay fields, and record the time lost in hours. Once we have published the shift report, we are sent a PDF copy directly to our email, ready for distribution to the various project stakeholders. This user was able to capture, describe and evidence all achieved progress and delays in the shift from the convenience of their desk, using only Shapes channels and web tools, in collaboration with the site supervisors. It's worth highlighting the convenience of never needing to export and upload photos in Shape. If they appear in your channel, you know that you can access them in the web tools, meaning you can always link photos to issues, progress records, and delay or downtime observations. So to conclude, teams who use Shape channels during the shift are able to enhance productivity and, most importantly, to achieve a high standard of record keeping, which is a crucial part of responsible project management for a contractor trying to protect its bottom line.